Hello guys, my name is Jose from Jaco Agency, and today we're going to be building this accounts receivable automation using n8n and Google Sheets. This will check a Google spreadsheet for overdue invoices and will send personalized emails to each client. So it's very good because you're gonna reduce a lot of time with this automation, and you will never miss any invoice that is overdue. So let's test this workflow to see how it works. It's gonna go over a spreadsheet, and it has only a conditional statement. And if it's true, it's gonna send the email. If it's not true, it will do nothing. So this is an example of how the email looks like. Dear Jose, this is a friendly reminder regarding the overdue invoice. This is all variables that we define in the dummy data. And yeah, you can customize this body as you like. So if you want this template, I will be uploading all my templates to my community. I will put the description down below, so make sure to subscribe. You have to sign up, and you will be accessing all the templates for free. So I'm gonna start with the trigger. You can configure this as you like, to trigger at a certain hour, maybe 8 a.m. In this case, I put it at midnight, but you can choose 8 p.m. now. I think 8 a.m. looks quite good. Yep. And then you just put a Google Sheets node. You just have to connect with your credentials in this case. Okay, operations get rows. The documents, it's the same name as I have it here. And yeah, so this test, you test it, you just have the same information here as you have here in your spreadsheet. So okay, after that we're gonna put a node that is called edit fields, and here we're gonna put the formula. This formula, it's just a simple formula to get what invoices are overdue, So in this case, I defined like a month, day, year, and this is a JSON emission date. This is just this column. We define a constant issue date, that is the format that JavaScript require. The credit days is just the credit days that we define in the dummy data, base 10 decimal. The due date is the issue date plus the credit days times this big number, that is the milliseconds in a day. Then JSON that due date equal due date to ICO string. We just convert it to ICO string, and we define a constant today equals new date, that is today or now, and we're gonna return the due date get time just if it's before today. So the ones that are before today is gonna mark it as true. So yeah, you can copy this code as well. And if we test this, we're gonna have true, false, true, false, true, true. So yeah, just the one that is false is the second one. As you can see, this is not overdue because we are on February 17 and we have 28 days of credit, so it's not overdue. But these three, as you can see, these three are overdue. Okay, so it's working perfectly. And then we just put a conditional if statement. If JSON due date, you have to drag this here, and contains true. If it contains true, it's gonna pass it to this node that is gonna send the message. So yeah, that will be the whole automation. I hope you like it.